Hey kids, it's me, Kit the Explorer, K-I-T. That's me. My name, Kit, K-I-T, is spelled using letters in the alphabet. And we're gonna learn all the letters of the alphabet today in a song that you can listen to and sing along on your own, so you can learn the ABCs for yourself and maybe even spell your own name. That would be awesome. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for airplane, A, airplane. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F is for fire truck, fire truck. G for goose, goose. H is for happy, happy. I, iguana, iguana. J is for jam, jam. K, koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N is for nature, nature. O is for ocean, ocean. P, parade, parade. Q is for quick. R is for robot, robot. S is for snake, snake. T is for turtle, turtle. U, umbrella, umbrella. V is for vulture, vulture. W for wagon, wagon. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for yacht, yacht. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Make sure to spend time with your parents at home practicing the ABCs. They probably know some different ways to sing the ABCs, and every time you sing the ABCs, you'll remember a little bit more and you'll get a little bit better at all the letters of the alphabet, and that'll help you read eventually, and reading is so much fun. Well, that's all we have for today for the ABCs song. And parents, remember you can follow us on Instagram or on Twitter at Kit Explores. And here's a quick tip to make sure that your child is safe while using YouTube. YouTube can be a scary place for kids. Besides reviewing channels and their content, one of the best ways you, as a parent, can make sure you know what your child is watching is by clicking on a playlist of videos rather than a single video. For Kit Explores, if you click on my channel and click on the playlist of Kit Explores videos, it will allow those videos to play through within my channel. And you can do this for other channels that your child loves as well. And it keeps YouTube from going down a rabbit hole of suggested videos that can be not so child-friendly. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Remember to subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time, parents. Thanks. Bye.